The paddock car certification shows you what gear you need to be legal. This video shows you the gear you need to be smart, safe, and profitable. I'm not talking about light bars. I'm talking about tools that have saved my trips, my money, and my reputation. Let's roll. The first tool I'm going to show you is a tool that saved me on a trip. And it saved my iPad when my entire electrical system, my 12-volt system died. If you only get one thing of the things I'm going to show you, get this one for sure. And that is this baby here. Vector. But this isn't just a jump starter. This is actually a power pack, a mobile power station. And this happened during a trip where my 12-volt died. My 12-volt system died, and so I had to use that to keep driving and recharge my iPad on the go. The next one I'm gonna show you is my iPad. Here we go. This is the iPad. Now, your iPad is your mission control. If you use en route, this is your mission control on a trip. And I wanna give a shout out to Jen. This is a pilot car course graduate, and she got new specs for this iPad. She found a real good version, which you're gonna see in the link below that you see in the description. Plus you see a lot of other links there as well for all the things I'm gonna show you. Now the next thing we're gonna go over is changing your tires fast. Changing a tire is not just convenient, it's a safety requirement. I'm gonna show you the exact NASCAR style tire change kit that gets it done in minutes. You see, a flat tire doesn't mean you lost your trip. It just means you're slow. You gotta get fast in such a situation. And the first item I'm gonna show you is my impact wrench. This is a real one. This thing gets really the shit off the tires. Milwaukee. Then we've got the torque wrench to tighten this in the end when you got the tire back on. And we got the hydraulic jack. This is a hydraulic jack I use. It's a manual one to pump up under here to keep up the car. I just want to add one thing very quickly here, and this is if you have a pickup truck, you shouldn't use a manual jack that I have shown you here. That is okay for a minivan, but for a pickup truck you should use an electronic one, which will lift the pickup truck up very fast. Most guys carry a separate tire if your car requires that. However, there is one cheap item they always forget, and that is this one. Because you can have such a flat tire that the car is so hanging low that you can't get under it with that or any other mechanical pump up. So you need that one, which gets, you see how I put this? No matter how low the car hangs, you will be able to get it up to that position and then lift it up the rest of the way. There you go. Super important item. So now here's my pro tip. Drill this. Drill changing tires in your driveway at home. If you're not fast, you're not safe, because you're doing this on the shoulder of a highway, interstate, whatever, And now the next items I'm going to show you are, I call them the oh crap kit. These are small little things that prevent big problems that can come up in a car. First one is snow chains, right here. Snow chains. This is just, this is actually a cable chains. They're light. Then I have a spare CB mic always with me. There you go. Okay, the next item is my full set of car fuses. I have this is a self-made box. I have all the fuses in there. Then I have battery chargers. You see, these are the Energizer battery chargers I keep here, plus the batteries. I use it to charge up the batteries for my handheld CB radios and any other items I use in the car that need batteries. And then there's a few other important things. Coolant for the cooling system. Then you have to have your oil, motor oil, in case you have to top off somewhere. I also have a brake fluid. I can't see it right now, but I use Keep brake fluid. I put a link below. And I have the other thing here. This is I'm keeping what's it called? It's a block tester basically. This is a block tester, and then along with this I have the Bart head gasket sealant. This shit, man, that Bart head gasket sealer and that coolant tester has saved me $6,000-7,000 because I had my gasket head blown and I sealed it. The car is still running, 530,000 miles. Now, if you know any other gear that saved you, leave a comment. Let me know what your suggestions are. And if you want the complete system, you want to know how to make a 6-figure income, watch my webinar, link below. As usual, you won't, how you say it in English? You won't be sorry. Quite the contrary.